Sangaro tini TPF ningai Honorable His Excellency Governor of Tripura sang memorandum submit kaya through deputation. Tini nisini Governor no je memorandum mani main uddesho ngakai sinaro je illegal voters, je illegal intruders je Bangladesh aike pro Pakistan Arni Fajak Rock Sinora Taubo Indian Constitution Article number 6 ni mutabek boro ojagani citizen ng yakho jeto tabok se phayo se abo implement mong yakho okay boro ojagani legal citizen ng yakho ngoro je suk for the last 70 years sinora je election chalitang mani ADC panang thung ba state of panang thung je election chalitang mon abeno according to Indian Constitution abeno illegal tai unconstitutional undemocratic. Aboni bagai seng tini sini governor no aboni seng saka memorandum ni bising tui sini tabok NRC Supreme Court 18 tarik March final hearing ngi tongo o NRC implement NRC ni Supreme Court to verdict no hoya sak NRC implement ngai illegal immigrants intruders the illegal voters borong na identify khai o jang ni delete khai detain deport khai asak panon to sinoro election ta khai di karon buskango sinoro ADC election khai tongo most probably may of ngai sing to saimano angkai o ADC election no tamongkha sing thanai 2015 simino je pro ADC election sakang sing approve haino aro PB asare tongpro memorandum submit khai kya approve sing saka sino Tripura hawo ADC area wo ADC area jehetu sudo matro sini bukung barane bagai simisi oron je native indigenous people ni bagai simisa ADC area ADC area meaning tamo Tripura tribal area autonomous district council nga jaga wo sudo sini borok bai simisa jaga native people simisa jaga wo vote angai a jaga wo gণতন্ত্র ni bisingti vote ni bisingti a jaga wo ADC gothon khai abono chaloknai district council chaloknai ngko jaga sungnuk jaka tamo o jaga 28 seats ni bisingo ADC je 28 constitution bisingo tinta non ST mane non indigenous non native people borong o jaga ngko borok contest khai tongo tai arai hoite 3 lakh ni gobang o jaga o illegal voters jeta Bangladeshi eke illegal intruders borok voter tongo hangke omo ADC se hangkai bahai ke o jaga o illegal voters o jaga entertain khai tongman borok bahai ke contest khai tongman abon bagin sing thanai 2015 bo obono demand khai je ADC si hangkai sudu sini ADC sini bukung barani yago simisa abo saloknani khomotang na klayo khatan borok bahai ke jaga o political rights ba voting rights naiman abono khataw khai ni sing 2015 bo sing ko memorandum submit khai sak ina aboni kuno action ya haini bagai sing hai tini ADC ni je illegal intruders illegal voters no hataw khai di srai sini o jaga ni hanibu sarok ni yago hanibu sarok srai illegal voters tanbai je genuine je voter ing yasa point ADC election ta khai di haini sing tini sini memorandum mo saka tai Tripura hasteo je kuno election nani hingakai khanyani hingakai puila je NRC khaimen bisingtei tabuk Supreme Court NRC ni final hearing ngnai nga ajaga NRC exercise khai implement khai illegal voters no identify kyo jang rutu kare ba sak point sino Tripura hasteo kuno election ta khai di hai ni sing sini tini memorandum bo governor by salaika nga governor suna assurance kha je bo obnoti chief election commission by salainai immediately no salainai tai sini ji memorandum no bo as well as in the government the prime minister sang je prime minister president home minister honorable chief justice boni thani bo sang copy to sikya governor assurance kha obno forward khai rokhbai nai election commission by bo immediately no malai obnoti oisnoti discussion khai action nana hini bo sang assurance